So the next part of this training presentation will be for connecting a Wi Gauge and running it through the Orbit network into an Excel spreadsheet like this. The first step, of course, you want to take is that you will actually need a wireless connection module, which you can just place onto the Orbit stack. Then click Connect on your spreadsheet. Then click Settings and go to your Orbit network. Like before, we have a network already set up along with 2 probes. So we're going to click Find All Modules. And now you will see the WCM connected to the stack. Now, but if you'll notice though, there are no Wi Gauge devices set up with the Wi Gauge presently. This actually needs to be done through the Orbit suite, and that we will demonstrate to you now. But first thing is, you'll want to click OK, and then actually disconnect from the spreadsheet. So now here's the main page of the Orbit suite, and the main button you want to click on here is the WCM configurator. Again, make sure that you have your USB as well as the WCM on your Orbit stack. The first thing, of course, you want to click is Find All WCMs. At this moment, too, you're also going to want to turn on your Wi Gauge. Make sure that the blue button is turned on the top. So now, once it's picked it up, go to WCM Setup. And right now you have 6 potential devices that you could enter. The way you enter them is actually quite simple. You take the serial number that you see on the Wi Gauge and then enter that on the side. So for this one, it's 255 AM17301. And of course, name it. We'll just name it Wi Gauge 1. Click Apply. Now, once the WCM has picked it up, the blue light on your Wi Gauge should be flashing. Then under WCM Read, if you click Start Reading, you can actually start to take some different measurements. Stop reading. So once this is all set up, now you have this loaded onto your WCM. So now you can go back to the Orbit Excel pack. So now we have returned to the Excel spreadsheet. So we're going to go back and click Connect. And then go back to Settings. So now if we go to Orbit Networks, you will see that the WCM is loaded, but now you have the identity of the one Wi Gauge that we set up already here. So now we'll just go back to Spreadsheet. We're just going to sample some readings, place on next row, sample on spacebar, click OK. Now we'll just click Take Readings. Now, one thing it should be noted, it might take a minute or two for the WCM and the Wi Gauge to click up. If you'll notice, the first 5 entries there were unavailable. It was just slowly connecting. But it might be worth hitting the spacebar once or twice just to, instigate the connection and start taking readings. But now, as you see, we not only have readings from 2 probes, but also a Wi Gauge.